In this video, I am going to show how to create a logo using Midjourney. So first of all, open the Discord and go to Midjourney channel. After that, go to newcomer room. You can go to any of the newcomer room, that is newbies 126, newbies 156. Just go to any of the room. After that, in the message box, just write this command prompt, which is /imagine. Then we will be writing the prompt. So to design a logo, first of all we need to select the type of logo. So you can use a lettermark logo or a mascot logo or a minimalistic logo, etc. So I'll be using a mascot logo. So my command prompt will be imagine a mascot logo of an ice cream brand. Then we'll select the genre. So you can choose any genre you want as per your requirement. So it can be artistic genre, or it can be pop art, or it can be anything. So I'll be using pop art, so just write pop art. Then we'll be using the name of famous designers. So this will create a specific type of logo. So you can use any famous designers such as Pablo Picasso, Saul Bass, Paul Rand, etc. So I'll be using Pablo Picasso. So write this by Pablo Picasso, then comma. After that, you should use the technique, the artistic technique, which is you can use outline technique, gradient technique, or screen print technique, etc. So I'll be using here gradient technique. So just type gradient. Then at the end of your command, you should tell the AI what not to do. So say you don't want any text and you want a realistic photo. So just type that no text, comma, realistic. If you want minimalistic, just type minimalistic. Anything you want, just the type or anything that you want to tell to AI. So after you finished your command prompt, just hit enter and it will be generating a mascot logo of an ice cream brand, pop art by Pablo Picasso, gradient, no text, realistic. So let's see what it does. So as you can see, we have generated our logo. So this is kind of funny, but this is very cool style. This is pop art style, and we got the value here. So if you want to change the type of logo, you can just play around with the commands and prompts and see what's coming. So if you want to upscale any of them, just click on U1, or if you want variation, just click on V1, V2, V3, V4 for fourth type of variation. Also you can upscale any of the image you want. So I'll be upscaling the number 4. So just click on U4. So it will generate the upscaling version of the fourth one. So there you go. This is the logo we want to create. So this is how you can create or design a logo using Midjourney. So just play around with the command and prompt, and you will finally find the desired logo. Thanks for watching.